If we are in a classroom with a number of robots, we can program them to do a Mexican wave. The first robot will have a program just like we've used in the previous tutorials. First we see a big smile with a 1 second wait. Then the robot goes forward at 50% for 2 rotations of its wheels. It then says hello to the alien, puts on a nice smile and waits for 4 seconds. Since it seems we've been having problems with the universal translators, our robot says thank you, goodbye, it looks sad, and then it goes back quickly at 75% for 2 rotations backwards. For the second robot, we click on the orange rectangle and move a delay in front of the whole program. This will mean the second robot starts 1 second after the first robot. For the third robot, we'd have a 2 second delay here. For the fourth robot, a 3 second delay here, and so on. Let us look at what happens when we try the Mexican wave with 2 robots in a home setting.
Thank you. Goodbye.
A Mexican wave can be a good fun extra in a classroom. And don't forget, there's more fun for your Lego EV3 at drgraham.me. Thank you for watching.